Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the Phoenix ILC-131 ETH PLC, a compact and powerful device that forms the heart of easy automation. Let's dive into what makes it special. The ILC-131 ETH is a modular small-scale PLC from Phoenix Inline I system. It is designed for industrial automation and supports Ethernet-based communication with Profinet and Modbus (TCP). ILC-131 PLC controller supports Profinet device and Modbus TCP client. Complete interbus master with up to 4096 I/O points. The memory of ILC-131 is expandable with SD card up to 2 GB. Integrated FTP and HTML5 web server. It supports multiple protocols like HTTP, SNTP, SMTP, SQL, and more. This makes it not just a controller, but also a communication hub for modern industrial networks. Let's see the system properties of ILC-131 controller. Controller runs on a 64 MHz Altera News processor. It provides 192 KB of program memory, and another 192 KB of data storage. Retentive storage is 8 KB for critical data. It also supports up to 8 control tasks and allows programming in IEC-61131-3 languages. It can be programmed free PC Works or PC Works Express software. Connectivity is another strong point. The ILC-131 ETH comes with Ethernet RJ45 port, 10 by 100 megabits per second. RS-23 port also support RS-485. Interbus local bus, 500 kilobaud by 2 megabaud. It provides on board 8 digital inputs and 4 digital outputs. Each output handling up to 500 mA current. Perfect for small to medium automation tasks. Being designed for industrial environments, it operates reliably between -25°C and +55°C, resists vibration and shock, and carries IP20 protection for thin rail mounting. So, that's the Phoenix Contact ILC-131 ETH PLC controller. Compact, reliable, and built for easy automation. If you're working on industrial automation projects, this device gives you the flexibility of multiple protocols, web-based diagnostics, and expandable memory, all in one package. Call to action: if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more automation and IoT videos. Drop a comment below. Would you choose this controller for your project? Let's discuss.